Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find and manage languages settings on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application, then go to these three lines, then go to the settings, and here you will find, as you see here, you will find languages. Click on it. So here you will find app language and primary language and the content language. So you can just change it if you want to change the first one, the app language and the primary language and the content language. So that's it. That's how to find and manage languages settings easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.